Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using this stunning Amrezy palette to create this warm cut crease. If you're interested in how I got this look, then keep on watching. So first we're going to prime our lids. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer and nicely blend that in. How pretty is she? First we're going to dip into the shade New Yorker. And we're going to start blending that into our upper crease and then slowly start blending it up towards the brow bone. Now we're dipping into the shade 1988 and we're going to blend that into our crease. Going in with a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to blend both shades together to make sure we have a flawless blend. Now we're dipping into the shade Yugo with a small detailing brush to create some extra depth to the crease. Now it's time to cut the crease with my ABH primer. Now you're going to slowly take your time and cut your crease. Now we're going to dip into the shade Wasted and apply that lightly on our lid. Now going into Barb, which is a beautiful pink, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Next, we're going back into the shade New Yorker. We're going to blend that into our crease and also blend it down to almost half of the lid. Going back into 1988, we're going to repeat that step, but this time staying more on the outer crease. I'm going back into the shade Barb just to make it a little extra, because you know how I do. Going into the shade Yugo, we're going to start smoking out our liner. Now, dipping into BK, I'm going to make the liner a little more smoky by blending the black closer to the lash line. This part is so satisfying. Now I'm going to be taking New Yorker and start blending that onto my lower lash line. I'm going to be repeating that step with 1988, but blending it closer into the lash line. Getting into lashes, I'm going to start curling my lashes and apply some mascara. And I'm going to apply my Lilly lashes in the style Carmel. Lashes are on. I'm just going to add a little bit more barb in my inner corner. And of course, we had to use the Amrezy highlighter with her palette. This highlighter is literally everything. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.